Hey everyone, yeah, it's me again, Speak Pinoy, and tonight's video, guys, I really want to talk about the effect of reading. And as we all know, reading is something what we call here a relief of stress. And some of you also don't want to read. It's because that your brain, your mind, your brain is actually given a hard result on what you expect to know what is that kind of book you want to read. And the moment that you read something, you develop a way of routine, in which is that routine will help you to improve your understanding, or what we call here also a comprehension. Every now and then, guys, when we read about fictional or non-fictional, basically it comes up to a violation of opinion. But the problem now here is that how we look ourselves to emphasize the opinion of the author. Or what is my point is that what is your opinion towards those context of the language? What is your opinion using the English language about your understanding of the context? And this is really important, that all of the books are written in English internationally, right? So this is very hard for all of those non-native speakers to develop their understanding and comprehension. It's because the grammatical structure is not quietly familiar. So the moment that you read in English, basically your mind is getting bored. Your mind is getting something unattached towards those stories. But when you read just like your vernacular language, when you read that, then you're not getting bored. So this is the difference between the international language and your vernacular language. So the fact that we can't absorb the information because it's English, we can't absorb the right information because it's English. So when you read for example, when you read more paragraphs in English, in which is it's hard to understand, it's hard to comprehend, so you don't need to read that. It's just you need to simplify a bit. But it's not like that. You need to read everything in English in order to understand. So this is the really or it's a common problem for all of us as non-native speakers. We can't speak because we don't have the experience to speak in English. We can't write, it's because that we don't exactly practice the way it could be. This is the reason why we are not productive in every aspect of learning, because we often use our vernacular language in order to understand more. But when we use the English language, we cannot able to sustain what the needs of our brain. It's because that English is international, hard for us. Okay, so I hope that this video, guys, will help you to improve more about the way that you want to be. You want to talk about, or you need to be somebody and be able to get what you need in your life. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching.